Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be working some more on the Fall Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge, and today I am going to be making these little mini embellishment booklets. And it's using the paper that I watercolored in my other videos. And I need to make a playlist of this and just put the playlist down below because I have like 4 other videos by this point, I think. But these are super cute. They're super tiny. I have this zoomed in a lot, but you can see they are about 2 inches tall by like 2.5 wide. So they're just itty bitty, cute little embellishments. I thought about sewing them, but I ended up just tying them. But yeah, I put some little paper in there. Really cute. Okay, so I want to show you how to make these. Not really hard. But let's put those over to the side here. So I ran out of my tea stained paper that I already made for this, but I did have a note card here that is coffee stained actually. And then I have a little piece of the flannel ribbon and one of my watercolored papers. And then I also have these stickers from the Dollar Tree. That's what these were. So I'm going to use some of those on top of it. And then I have some orange and white twine that comes in a pack at the Dollar Tree. So move those over a little bit more. The first thing we're going to do is make the cover, and all I did was cut 2 inches at the top of my paper there and folded it in half. Really easy. Oh, I still need my trimmer because I'm going to cut this down, and I need 2 each, so I can still do it 2 inches. That's fine. You can do it a little bit smaller if you want. So I'll cut 2 inches there and 2 inches. It is about 2 inches, just a little bit off there. Now, oh, I may need this again. You're going to take your 2 inside pages and fold them in half, because we're gonna have to trim off the edge, of course, because they'll go out. So it looks like I need to take about a 1/2 inch off. So I'll go a little bit shorter than that and just trim that off there. Now I'm done with this. And we're just going to put our little pages on the inside and open it up to your inside of all 3 of the pages here. And we're just going to take the twine, and I'm going to go on the outside here and do a double knot. Just need to make sure, like, close it like that. And leave yourself enough to make a bow after you do a double knot. So just leave a little extra. Try and get it as tight as you can without ripping the paper, of course, and do a double knot. There. And then tie a bow. Now you could add some charms or beads to this if you want, whatever you want to do on the outside. I'm going to shorten my little bow ears a little bit, and then tighten it up and trim. All right, So there we have our little book put together. Now we just need to decorate it. So I'm going to take a piece of ribbon and I'm going to use my tiny attacher and just staple it onto the top here. Just like that. And then now it's just decorating with whatever you want. I'm just using these stickers because they're really pretty and they're dimensional, so I think it would be cool. I'm going to use the leaves, the acorn, and this apple here. So now you just kind of put them wherever you want them. Just like that. And I think that's it. I'm not sure what this I don't know what that says. It says let's, and I thought it said hugs, but there's 2 G's. I don't even know what that says. That's weird. Let me know if you found these stickers and if you know what that says there. Happy, let's, I don't know. That's really strange. It looks like HYGGE. I don't know what that means. But down here it says the only thing getting lit this weekend are my scented candles. That's really cute. Alright. Okay. Let's see. I think maybe I want to move this like that. Alright. So that is it. Really simple. You can embellish these as much as you want. But I think they turned out really cute. So let me know what you think. If you have any other ideas for embellishments, you can post them over on Instagram and tag me and hashtag Fall Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge and let me see what you're making. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.